Do you need the best residential painter in the Darwin region to paint your house or business? IPaint Darwin is the #1 painting team in the NT, serving both private and commercial properties with pride and distinction. From interior house and units to exterior large-scale industrial building painting, we proudly service from the city to the rural areas of the Northern Territory. Choosing a professional residential painter, rather than taking on a DIY project, is a decision that offers numerous benefits that can lead to a superior and longer-lasting result. While a do-it-yourself approach may seem like a way to save money, it often comes with hidden costs, risks, and a final result that may not meet your expectations. They understand the nuances of different painting techniques, ensuring a smooth, uniform finish free of common mistakes like drips, streaks, and uneven coverage. Knowledge of materials: a great painter knows which high-quality paints, primers, and finishes are best suited for different surfaces and conditions, ensuring the paint job is durable and long-lasting. They use professional-grade tools and equipment that are not readily available to the public. In conclusion, while DIY painting can be a rewarding personal project, hiring a professional painter is often the most practical and cost-effective choice for achieving a high-quality, long-lasting, and beautiful result with minimal stress and risk.